Yes, hello guys, and once more, so hyped to welcome you again to my official YouTube channel, the educative one, and it's mainly for the basic skills in computer and application. And so, guys, I have a presentation that I want to pass through to you. They're all about Microsoft Excel. First of all, for you to use this Microsoft Excel, you have to know some of the terminologies that are in it. First of all, let me open for you and so this is our Excel blank. So guys, see it. Hope you're seeing. So guys, let us see it. There's some of the terminologies. The first one is a cell. A cell is a single box in a worksheet where you enter your data. Like this is the worksheet, the blank sheet. I've not entered that is the worksheet. This is your cell. Like you can enter name here. This is another cell. You can enter anything. This is another cell. Those boxes are called cell. So guys, take note. Second row. Row. These are rows. The horizontal line. This horizontal line. These are rows. Row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. Yeah. And these are cell. The inside is the cell. And the column. A, B, C. Downwards are the column. I think you are getting to know. The worksheet. The worksheet is the spreadsheet. This whole thing is the worksheet. All what you're seeing here is the worksheet. So the entire thing is the worksheet. So also there are some of the formulas. Hand equation. You can also there's this function. See this function. You can solve some equations here if you want to insert function. Solve like you want to solve the total the total number of people in class or the total marks, the total aggregate. That is all about. Yeah. Another thing is the range. Yeah. If you're using the Excel, there are ranges. There are ranges you can use since there are ranges you can use since there are ranges you can use like assuming there are in your spreadsheet you're making the list of the report cards, like the report cards. Yeah, you can you can quote some ranges for you to calculate to enter it in the functions. Well, so guys, hope you are getting hope you are getting there's some of more functions like let me see. Let me think about it. The header, like this, these are the header. The header is the top bar row. This H what those alphabets are the header. Those are the top bar row with the column labels. This one, these are rows. These rows, top rows. Those are header. Is where you put your heading. Actually, there's no heading. That is where you'll enter like Q1, Q1. Those are the header. So you have to know what is called macro. A macro is a record or written set of instructions to automate task, to do some task. That is macro, to do big task. So what is conditional formatting? This is when you highlight the whole thing and you delete cell based on a specific condition. You highlight and do things on it due to the conditions. So guys, hope you are getting what is hope you are getting what I'm doing. Hope you are getting what I'm doing. So guys, see, hold through. The filter, you have to know what is called filter also. The filter showing only specific data in a table based on criteria. The freeze panes, you have to know those things. Actually, you can read about all those headings, all those terminologies. Uh, the index match is a function used to search for to search and retrieve data. Search and retrieve data. Yeah. See, here are some of the icons. If you want to insert something, share something, page layout. If you want to change the page layout, this is the formula. If you want to calculate data, you enter data, review, and here is the number of sheets you want that worksheet to be. Those, yeah. So guys, this is not very something very hard. Just come and type like the names here, the first marks here, like assuming biology, write biology, the marks will be down here. This first one will mostly be the heading. Like this one will be for name, maybe this one for biology, chemistry, agriculture, mathematics, basic science, what those all those. This one will be the for heading, and this one will be names. Think this one will be name, and this is the serial number thing. A1, this is the functions, and total it shall have all those things. And here is an app launcher, the file you want to save it, go there. If you want to share it here also. So, so guys, first of all, before you use this, you have to know the terminologies. You know what is meant by all these icons. This is font color. If you want to change the font color, the color of the writings, you come here. This is the more options, more font options. Like you want to change the style, like you want to make the font to be slanting. Yeah, you go there and you get all those things. So guys, let's not take this as so difficult. This is something you can do, and you can also read about all those terminologies. Some have failed to mention, but some have mentioned and have enlightened about some. So, guys, always subscribe to my channel. You'll get more and more videos about the errors. What. So, thank you all. Keep on watching my movies, my videos. I guess there's a movie so far. Watch my videos, subscribe, like, share.